Hello guys, welcome to our channel. As you can see, today we are at Forest Club Mumbai, and I will let you know below in the link how we have traveled to this place. So me and my husband, basically we have come from the two-wheeler thing, but there are many ways to travel in here. This is closest to the Mumbai, okay, and to Pune and to Bombay side. The farthest of farthest can reach here by maximum 1.5 hours to 2 hours. As you can see on my left hand side, there are the executive rooms, and on the right ones we have the pool rooms, which we will give you a glance in a minute. Okay guys, now let's have a look at the poolside rooms. Follow me. You guys can see how green and fresh it is here. Let's go inside now. As you saw, the rooms are quite spacious enough. I mean, not too big but not too small. The pool right here, we are on the other side, and they are not temperature controlled, but I think it's good enough because it is summer, so we can manage on that. You can see there's a whole lot of place to walk around here. There's some nice sitting area beside the pool as well. You can just relax here in the evening, have some wine, chat with your friends, family, and I think it will do justice to the price that you're going to pay. Hey guys, as you can see, we have a small kids play area right here. I'm not a kid, but kids. And then we have the infinity pool. So the ones who cannot access the pool rooms, there's a separate one for that. Those can access the infinity pool that we have right here. As you can see, there's a small restaurant right there. Just look at the view, guys. Just look at the view. We have a rooftop restaurant right here. And there's a bar right here to enjoy as well. Gym room right here, and there's a game room right here. First, let's have a look at the gym room. So I don't know who gyms when they're enjoying, but anyone who wants to can enjoy gymming and with a view right there. Check out the game room. Hello again, people. As you can see, we are all changed, freshen up, and we have the pool right behind us. You can check the view, how amazing it is. And as you can see right here, we have set up a small table for us for a little candlelight dinner. And there's a cafe right there.